Hey, what's up, guys? So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can create this beautiful shine effect, a text effect inside After Effects. Most real estate client want this type of text effect in their video, and a lot of video editor using in real estate video. So let me show you how you can create this. As you can see, this is beautiful shine effect, and I use it in my real estate client videos. So let me start. So first deleting these text, and this is my client video, and I'm just using on a new text, and I'm using on a black solid. So now I'm just adding the text, which is shine. You can add whatever text you want, just adjusting the font and selecting the font and adjusting the size of the text. Center the anchor point. I'll scale down the text. Now I'm adding a preset CC radial fast blur. This is the we need, and now amount is around 90, and select the brightest. Okay, I'm just selecting the amount 75 this time and duplicate it, and on the lower select the opacity 50%, and on the top just delete the animation. Okay, the radial fast blur, and this is the setting that you need. So just select brightest, and as you can see, the amount and the center, you can, if you want increase, you can increase. I'm just increasing to 90. Yeah, 90 is good. And you can adjust the setting, like the shine, where go. So now the first thing is parent this lower text with the upper, adding the position, first adding simple animation from the position, and I'm just using the Reach plugin for smooth graph. So I just smooth the graph, and let's play. Okay, it's little bit fast. I'm just delayed a little bit. Yeah, I think a little bit. Yeah, adjusting the keyframes, and it's good. Now I'm just adding center and amount keyframe and just adjusting it to the start. No, I think it's sorry. So at the end, and from 0 amount, and just adjusting the keyframe. Yeah, adjusting the keyframe a little bit, ease them, and make the graph like that. Okay, yeah, it's perfect. It's really perfect. Now I'm adding another key for the center. I'm adjusting where the light goes. So this is my current animation from top to bottom. And now I'm adding another keyframe. You can adjust this keyframe however you want the light goes. And I'm just adjusting the light as well. As you can see, it's looking amazing. Oh my God. On the first try, it's looking so amazing. So now I'm adding another, you can adjust it to the left. You can adjust it to the right. No, it's not good on the left side. I think the light is small. So I'm just, yeah, and the middle. Yeah, at the end, I just add the middle. Okay, I'm adjusting the amount. Okay, so the amount I'm now adding 80. That's perfect. That's really perfect. If I show you with my client, as you can see, on a client video, it's looking amazing, but the text is white. So we need to add. Okay, so as you can see, if I play this on a black, it's super amazing. It's super perfect. Now I'm adding the gradient ramp on the text, changing the color. Let me adjust, adding the bluish color, adjusting these things as well, the gradient. Now I'm just copy pasted the gradient from boot text because we need it from the boot text. Okay. And now, as you can see, it's looking amazing, by the way. Okay. So with this blue text, it's also super amazing. You can adjust your setting. You can adjust your amount and your direction in the control panel. So this is my text. It's super amazing. It's perfect. Actually, if you need a real estate video editor, contact me because I'm a video editor. And this is how you can create this beautiful shine effect. Make sure to subscribe. Thank you so much.